Unbelievable! Oh, my goodness. The lightning, the thunder, this rain. Oh my God. Wow. It is upon us. This is the system that's pulling that hurricane up north from the Gulf of Mexico. We're the precursor to it right now. And then it's supposed to come this way. Whoa. It's Wednesday, September 26th, 2024. Wow, this is crazy. This rain is crazy. Whew. Wow. It's electric. All right, Truth Co-op. I'll report in later on this Hurricane Helene. We'll see what happens. I hope you're all doing well. Awesome. Doing well out there? Woo! I'm going to end this video. I'll come back to you guys later. Yo, yeah! I'm going to try to end this video. Make it a short one. We're going to check back later. There's more to come. All right. One love and namaste.